This is Android on an iPhone. A developer by the name of Nick Lee has figured out a way to have Android running on an iPhone. In the past, Lee installed Windows 95 on an Apple Watch. So how did he manage to get Google's mobile operating system on Apple hardware? Since Android is open source, Lee used a number of components to get an Android device to communicate with an iOS device. He also used software to get an Android screen from an Android device onto an iPhone. Lee then picked up an Android development board, which is a device that can run Android without a screen. He attached a battery pack to the board and a lightning cable between the board and the iPhone. To make everything pretty, Lee printed a 3D enclosure for the board. The result was a pretty hefty case. After a redesign, some of the heft was removed, and what's left is about something the size of a battery case for an iPhone. So how does the iPhone interact with the case? I asked Nick Lee directly. He told me the iPhone speaks to the Android case through the Lightning connector. A custom-built app forwards the user's touches from the iPhone to the Android device and then receives the Android content back. Lee says there are no plans at the moment to sell cases with Android for iPhones, but he is trying to gauge interest. Would you be interested in an iPhone running Android? I know I am. I'm Maya Zakhtar, and you can keep up with the hottest tech news at cnet.com/update.